Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details to bring you the beauty products that truly make a difference. Have you ever felt like your mascara just doesn't do enough? Maybe it doesn't separate, doesn't lift, or just doesn't give you that bold look you crave. Well, today we're testing a mascara that promises to do it all. Maybelline's Volum Express, the Falsies Washable Fiber Mascara in Very Black. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our in-depth reviews. Now, let's get into the product. This mascara claims to build up to 8 times more volume with its Kera-Fiber formula, designed to deliver a false lash effect without the need for falsies. With a unique flexible wand and patented spoon brush, the product is said to lift and separate lashes while delivering a full, voluminous look. And of course, it's ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact lens wearers. So, does it live up to these big claims? Let's see. When I first tried it, the formula went on smoothly and didn't clump, which is always a win in my book. The spoon-shaped brush is designed to coat each lash individually, and I definitely noticed the separation right away. The flexible wand made it easy to get to the hard-to-reach corners of my eyes. And I was impressed by the length it added without weighing my lashes down. In real-world testing, I wore it through an entire day of errands, and I have to say, the volume held up really well. By the end of the day, my lashes still looked full and defined, with no smudging or flaking. It even stood up to some light rain, which is a nice bonus. The only downside was that I did need to use a bit more makeup remover to get it off at night, but that's a small price to pay for long-lasting results. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: gives a great volume boost and excellent lash separation. The formula holds up well throughout the day, including in humid conditions. Safe for contact lens wearers and ophthalmologist tested. The brush design helps reach even the smallest lashes without clumping. Cons: can be a bit tricky to remove, requiring a bit more effort than some other mascaras. The fiber formula might not be for everyone, especially if you prefer a lighter mascara look. In terms of value for money, this mascara definitely delivers. At its price point, it offers a strong formula, long-lasting performance, and a design that makes application easier. While some higher-end mascaras may offer slightly easier removal or a more natural finish, I think the volume and separation here make it a solid choice for anyone looking for dramatic, full lashes. When comparing this to other mascaras on the market, Maybelline's Falsies Mascara stands out for its ability to create volume and separation without clumping, thanks to the unique brush and formula. Some luxury mascaras might offer smoother removal, but for the price, this is a solid contender. Now, in terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and the wand feels sturdy. The mascara formula itself remains consistent, and I didn't notice any performance issues over time. It's also nice to know that this product is ophthalmologist tested and suitable for those who wear contact lenses. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I've never had to contact Maybelline directly for this product, but the brand is generally known for handling inquiries well, so I'm confident they're responsive when needed. If you're on the lookout for an alternative, there are definitely a few mascaras at lower price points that give decent volume, but they might not have the staying power or fiber technology of this one. If you're budget conscious, but still want to boost your lashes, something like L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise could be a great option. It's a solid mascara that delivers volume, but may not have quite the same longevity as Maybelline's Falsies. To wrap up, Maybelline's Volum Express the Falsies Mascara definitely lives up to its promise of volume and separation, delivering a dramatic, long-lasting look. It's perfect for anyone who loves bold lashes and doesn't mind putting in a little extra effort at the end of the day to remove it. If you're someone who wants fuller, separated lashes with great staying power, this mascara could be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this mascara or have any tips of your own, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.